All right, here we are on Hazel. Tom's got her here at home, and battery, yucky. We had a start issue. I've already got the start connector off on the solenoid. So I just want to hit that. The starter on this is under warranty, and we do need to replace the battery because that battery is, ugh, it definitely tested weak. So we're going to be replacing the battery. We're going to test the starter. First order of business, I'm going to test that. I'm just going to jump right with a flathead, see what we got going, and go from there. Oh, we know that works. I'm going to swap out our battery, and then we'll see what we got down there now. And then we'll check that starter as well. We have a replacement for it. It is under warranty, like I said, so don't have all of our testing equipment here, obviously, because we are on location and not at the shop. But the battery is swapped. Let's see here. All right. Let's get that starter out. All right, starter is out. I'm curious to see what our issue is. So we'll put our new one in. Make sure the car starts, and then go back to our shop and we'll test the old one. Alright, starter swapped. Let's see here. Interesting. Alright, there's the first. Starter solenoid went bad. So I jumpered across two screwdrivers and the starter cranks. So let me go get us. All right, swapped out our starter relay and give everything a try. Taking care of business every day.